Hello and welcome to the lecture on B2B and EDI management. I'm happy to have you in this lecture. The objective of this lecture is to help you understand B2B and EDI management in detail. So without wasting other moment, let's dive deep into the subject. So in this session, we will start with the fundamentals of B2B and EDI and understand their role in modern enterprise communication. And then we'll explore how Boomi provides a full B2B EDI solution as a part of the Boomi Enterprise platform. So first, let's understand a simple explanation of what is B2B integration. The word B2B stands for business to business. It refers to the digital exchange of information between two or more companies that work together. For example, a manufacturer sending purchase order to a supplier, a retailer receiving shipping notices from logistic provider, a distributor sending invoices to a retailer. In simple terms, B2B integration enables companies to exchange business documents automatically, digitally, and securely. Well, these documents include, purchase order, invoices, shipping invoices, inventory updates, order confirmation, could be a payment information as well. B2B integration ensures that two companies can communicate system to system without manual intervention. Let's understand what is EDI. EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange. It is a standardized way of exchanging business documents between the companies. So instead of sending PDFs or email, companies exchange structured data formats such as ANSI X12, mostly used in North America, EDIFACT, which is used globally. Next is Tradacom's RosettaNet, HL7. These are different structured data formats. So these formats allow systems to read and process business documents automatically. Let me give a simple example. Instead of a PDF invoice, a supplier sends an EDI 810 invoice message to the buyer. The buyer's ERP system reads the EDI message automatically and updates the accounts payable instantly. So no human touch is required. This EDI data is structured data, so it can be inserted into the system very easily. And why do companies need EDI and B2B management? The modern supply chain involves hundreds of partners, right? Like suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, logistic partners, banks, and more. So without EDI and B2B tools, there are many challenges. Some of the challenges are business documents are exchanged manually if it is not connected via the system. So emails, PDFs, Excel sheets, all this leads to delays when they don't have a structured format. The risk of human data entry errors as well. So incorrect quantities, wrong product codes, or typing the mistakes. There's also no real-time visibility. Company do not know what's going on, like when their shipment is gonna come, when the invoice are posted, whether orders are confirmed or not. Next is the compliance requirement. So industry like retail, manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, or logistic basically require the EDI compliances. Next, the cost is high because more people, more manual work, slow processes, and more operational cost. So EDI automation solves all these challenges. Let's understand what is the key concepts in B2B and EDI management. To understand Boomi's EDI capabilities, let's review the core building blocks. First, let's understand the trading partners. So the companies that exchange EDI documents with each other, examples Walmart, Amazon, Target, DHL, Ford, P&G, each trading partner has its own EDI rules and expectation. Next is the document standards. So these are the standard formats for business documents. Some companies use X12, for example, 850 purchase order, 810 for invoice. Some use EDIFACT like orders, invoice, and delivery advice. Next is RosettaNet format, then HL7, which is used for healthcare. So there are different document standards available. Then in EDI, we have something called as EDI transaction, which is nothing but the message types. So each transaction has a purpose. For example, 850 number means purchase order, 810 number means invoice, 855 means purchase order acknowledgement, 940 means warehouse shipping order, 997 is function acknowledgement. The next one is the communication protocols. The method used to exchange these EDI files like AS2, SFTP, FTPS, HTTPS, or using the WAN, which is value added network, then the FTP. The next one is the mapping or the transformation. So converting EDI to a system friendly format, let's say XML and JSON, and vice versa. So when you receive an 850 EDI, you convert it to an XML, then you upload that XML into the ERP order creation process. Next is the acknowledgement. So trading partner expect confirmation messages. Let's say if it's a X12 EDI, then they expect 997. If it's an EDIFACT, they expect a control message. Next is the monitoring and the error management. So organization must monitor missing acknowledgements, failed transaction, incorrect mappings, partner specific validation failures. So all these features is built into the Boomi enterprise platform. Next is the B2B and EDI management in Boomi. How Boomi provides this feature. So Boomi offers a dedicated B2B EDI capability as part of the Boomi platform. This provides everything companies need to run an EDI ecosystem in a single integrated environment. So Boomi solutions basically include trading partner management module. So Boomi provides a central area to manage trading partner profiles, connection details, EDI document types, communication protocols, certificates, partner specific routing rules. You can configure each partner's end-to-end flow in basically one place, which is called as trading partner management module. Boomi also support pre-built EDI standards and message types. So Boomi supports ANSI X12, EDIFACT, HL7, TradeComs, OData, Rosetta.net. So you don't need to build these formats from scratch. Boomi includes thousands of message definitions out of the box. Next is the low-code EDI mapping. So Boomi EDI mapping editor allows you to map fields visually between EDI format to XML, JSON, flat file, ERP, data format. Mapping is basically nothing but drag and drop, which is making the complex EDI mapping easier. Next is the communication protocol management. So Boomi supports secure B2B protocols, let's say AS2, SFTP, FTPS, HTTPS, WAN connections. You can configure connections and run them on Boomi runtimes or gateways. Then you have end-to-end B2B integration. So Boomi can receive the EDI message, validate them, transform them, trigger a Boomi integration process. They can update the backend systems like SAP, Oracle, Dynamics, NetSuite. They can send acknowledgements back automatically. Everything is automated without the manual work. Then Boomi also supports EDI acknowledgements. So Boomi can automatically generate 997 acknowledgements. It can send control messages. It can monitor the missing acts. This ensures compliance with trading partner requirements. Next is the monitoring and the error handling dashboards. So Boomi includes centralized dashboards for partner communication logs, message status tracking, failures, processing time, document archive, which is critical for supply chain operations. Next is the pre-built partner kit in Boomi Marketplace. Boomi Marketplace includes pre-built maps, partner configuration, and standard B2B flows. So this helps accelerate the onboarding partners like Walmart, Amazon, Costco, Walgreens, Target. So you have pre-built maps, configuration available in the Boomi Marketplace. Let's look at an example between a retail supplier and a Walmart EDI compliance. Let's look at the transaction from a supplier perspective. So Walmart send a purchase order to a supplier. Then supplier send the invoice back and also send the shipment update status. How the Boomi helps? The Boomi helps in receiving the Walmart's 850 data via the AS2 and map it to the corresponding format and send it to the supplier. This can basically automate the whole process of supply chain management by automatically generating the 856 after the shipment is done and also sending 997 acknowledgements. This applies that the EDI transaction between Walmart and the suppliers basically is taken care by the Boomi platform. Next, look at another example between the manufacturer and logistic partner, that is the 3PL partner. So manufacturer sends warehouse shipping order 940. The warehouse stock transformation information need to be updated. Then you have the inventory data. So you have to take care of these three transactions. A manufacturing basically sends warehouse shipping order 940, warehouse stock transfer information and inventory data. So logistic basically provides sends like 945, which is a shipment confirmation, then inventory movement updates. Boomi automates all document exchange between SFTP or AS2 connections. Next example is automotive industry, which is just-in-time supply chain. Automotive companies follow strict EDI standards like EDIFACT. So Boomi automates the delivery schedules, advance shipment notices, production forecast, invoicing. This ensures uninterrupted supply chain operations. Next, example of an healthcare provider, which is H7 document exchange. The hospitals exchange patient data, insurance claims, lab reports, admission or discharge messages. So Boomi supports HL7 workflow securely. Next example is the global distributor between the multi-partner ecosystem. A distributor works with manufacturer, transport companies, banks, retailers, warehouses, all using different formats and protocol. So Boomi centralizes EDI routing, partner profiles, mapping, communication, monitoring. So this basically simplifies the complexity across dozens of partners. So let's summarize. The Boomi provides everything required for enterprise gated B2B and EDI operation. Some of the examples is the trading partner management, pre-built EDI standards, low code mapping tools, secure communication protocols, end-to-end automation, monitoring and compliance, acknowledgement management. You have marketplace accelerators. So this eliminates manual data entry, speed up the supply chain process, improve accuracy, and ensures partners are integrated in a consistent, reliable way. So I hope now you are familiar with B2B and EDI management. Well, that's the end of the session. So let's wrap it up. By now I should be able to explain B2B or EDI management in your own terms. Thank you so much for your attention listening till the end. I wish you a fantastic day. Bye and take care.